We are back at it again here with another video, and we're going to jump right into it here with Bbig stock. If you're a Bbig stock holder, don't forget to smash that like button. If you saw this run coming and you think it's going to go higher, don't forget to smash that like button. And also don't forget to subscribe if you're a first time viewer. But we're going to jump right into it here in today's video. So Bbig stock, explosive run all the way to the upside in the aftermarket hours, came back down, sat sideways today, and found support at $3, as I stated in yesterday's video that this stock needs to stay above it, and if it found support at it, it can hold itself up. And here it is. It found support literally at $2.99, $3 give or take. Now I'm going to pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, our QQQ bot, and our newly released Tesla bot, so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize in either direction by receiving that clarity and edge over the chart. So here we are with Bbig stock. It's under a bull indicator since yesterday at $2.50, popped up to the fours, came back down, and has been consolidating between $3 and $3.40 and some change. This is very important because we are going to look at the bigger picture and also things in the lower time frames as well to see within the volatility what's going on and what it shows and what the charts are saying. But this is all happening because of this news that came out yesterday, and we literally reported on this a few minutes after it came out, and it says Vinco sets record date and distribution date for the planned business separation of Kryptide. This is going to be important for us to break down in today's video, and that's what we're going to discuss. Key levels in the charts, what 42 Vision is showing, what the news has stated, and why this could mean further upside if the bulls put up a fight, and the higher this goes, there could be a possible further squeeze. Now, I know that everyone cares about the Bbig stock and the information on these charts. That is the main entree of this video, but in every single video, I also talk about our SPY bot and home runs of the day. And as you can see it popping up, our SPY bot today at 8:55 a.m. sent us out a bear indicator, and from that moment forward into the bell and after the bell, put options went up 200% plus within minutes. And to the upside, the bear indicator got canceled by a bull indicator at 10:20 a.m. and call options went up nearly 100% plus within minutes, guys. These are the resources that all members are using to maximize within the volatility, and you can as well. And we also had a home run this morning, and that turns out to be the stock I mentioned this morning. It was SIDU. Both stocks I mentioned this morning gave out 3 to 5%, 5 to 10% plus, but this stock turned out to go up in the pre-market under a bull indicator into strength and up towards the bell, and continued for 120% plus, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market and have an edge over the charts, check out the link down below in the description to get connected to the Discord, the 42 Vision indicator, and getting connected to the SPY bot, QQQ bot, Tesla bot to receive the edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility. So here we are with Bbig stock. We're going to break it all down here as we see the 30-minute having a bull indicator holding up this sideways action. And if you put the 15-minute, you could see that a bear indicator popped up today. And this is why we're zooming in so we could see what's going on in the volatility. But as long as it holds above $3, this could possibly get canceled out if the bulls bring it back up and break through resistance levels, because you can see here how this bear indicator was there at 253, and then quickly a bull indicator popped up in the aftermarket hours as soon as the bulls took over and that news had came out. So this is still strength in my opinion, going from here to here. Now the stock has actually experienced a lot of volatility the last 2 days, and this is not going to be a straight shot up. The overall market is pretty volatile, and I believe volatility is here to stay. It's not going anywhere, and that's where having clarity over the charts and having an edge will matter to maximize within the moves. And that's what we talk about, and that's what we push for, and that's what we strive for every single day. So this move, pretty strong still in my opinion, because when one looks at the move, it has started a staircase effect, but it's going to take much more than that. Now, as long as it holds above $3, I believe there will be shorts that could feel the pressure, but a lot of shorts have put pressure again at these levels, and they're trying to bring it right back down and especially break through $3. I think that $3 is a key level and $4 above all else, because that's where a lot of average prices were and a lot of investors probably started to leave. I mean, you could see it right there in the aftermarket hours. There was a lot less holding as it shifted from 4 back down to 340s, right? So super important, but still a lot of strength here, even when the market is still consolidating and slightly lower than yesterday. And while all of this volatility is going on, BBIG is still holding up. So super important. But this bear indicator is something to watch here based off the 15-minute and in the volatility. But let's go back to the 30-minute. You could see there, no bear indicator just yet, only a bull indicator since yesterday. The 4-hour is important, but this is where things become very interesting, right? Because we have here a bright green with red borders bar here after hours, and this cannot continue to the downside, shifting into dark green with red borders or red, or even a bear indicator popping up that cancels out this bull indicator, because in the bigger picture, there could be some further weakness. And then you come over to the 1 day, and same thing here. It cancel out this bear indicator, and it has one big bar, but this has to go ahead and play out back-to-back larger bars than the previous. If not, it could actually lose momentum, and it needs to break through resistance levels. So very important on the bigger picture for things to continue. It doesn't have to map out exactly like this, and it's not guaranteed to, but it is just beginning to move, and now holding itself up here sideways is actually burning away the leverage that the bulls have over the shorts to get them to squeeze out of their positions. It's super important. This needs to hold up above $3, but it needs to continue to go higher. So we're going to talk about the key resistance and supports, but quickly, I want to talk about this article here that came out yesterday, and the main dates are these. May 18th is the set record date for the dividend shares of common stock of Kryptide. And then when you scroll down here, it states here that stockholders on or about May 27 of 2022, following the separation, Vinco stockholders will also receive a cash of fractional shares of Kryptide common stock, and they'll be received after application of the 10-to-1 distribution ratio. So those are the two key dates. Now, up to the 18th, which is the record date for the dividend, there may be some volatility and possible further strength. That's what everyone is speculating, and I look forward to seeing your comments down below how you feel about this. Do you think BBIG stock Vinco Ventures Inc. has more room to go into that date next week, the next few days? Because this right here alone was the reaction to the news being released, but I believe that if this actually has a movement behind it and there are actual bulls, that this could go further. Now, it's not guaranteed, it's not financial advice, and in no shape or form am I stating to buy, sell, or hold, but these are my opinions alone, and I look forward to seeing your opinions down below. But the support today that's important is $3. I have stated it. It was a resistance level. As long as we're above it, it's a support. And to the upside, we want to see this break back above 360 and get back up towards the $4 range. And then we can start talking about other levels above that. And to receive clarity within the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and there's many more bots on the way to get connected to the Discord. It sends us direct notifications to give us that edge and clarity within the charts, and you can receive this edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on the opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now gain access to these resources and join the members using these resources, receiving that edge and clarity within the volatility to the markets, whether stocks are jumping up, going down, bearish or bullish. No FOMO, no chasing, just focused on what really matters and maximizing within those moves. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make